Hello students, in this video I will show you how to use Excel to create stem and leaf. The good news is I can sort this data, so I will see the stem and it will help me create the stem and leaf easily. The bad news is we don't have a function that creates the stem and leaf automatically for us. So let's use what we have. The first step to create the stem and leaf is to sort your data from smallest to greatest. So I'm going to select all of my data. And of course, the data has to be put in one column so the sorting will work. So select all of the data. And then I will click on the Data tab and go to the sorting function and sort it from smallest to greatest. You notice that my numbers are sorted, and you notice that they are sorted from smallest to greatest, making sorting the leaf is easy than doing it by hand. So I'm going to go ahead and create a table or create a chart to start sorting. So the first leaf is 3, and you notice that the last one is 12. So I'm going to write all of the numbers from 3 to 12. And then I will write a vertical line next to that, and I will start creating my leaves. So I see that I have 3.2, 1, 2, 3 times. So I'm going to write 2, 2, 2. And then I will have 3.3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So I'm going to write 7 threes. And then I have 3.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So I'm going to write 5 fives. And then I have 3.6. So 1 6 right here, and I'm done with the first stem. The next stem is 4. I have 4 and 4. How do we represent that? Since there is a decimal here, so I know that 4 is equivalent to 4.0. So I'm going to write 0 and 0 here. If you forgot that step and you omitted these two values, not representing them with zeros right here, then when you try to come up with the raw data using the stem and leaf plot that you created, you're going to be missing two of those values, two values of 4. So it's very important that you represent these values with zeros. And then I have 1 4.1, so that is 1. And I have 4.2, 1, 2, 3, 3 of them. So I will have, we'll go back and write. Then I have 4.3, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.4s. So I'm going to go here, write 3 and 4 fours. And I have 4.6, 4.8, and 3, 4.9. And then we go to the next stem, which is 5. I have 5.4, 5.8, 5.9. And then I go to the next stem, 6. I only have 6.0 and 6.6. And then I don't have 7s, so I'm going to leave that blank. And I have 8.6, so I'm going to represent that. So this is blank. And then 8.6. And then I have 10.9 twice, 11.7 3 times, and a 12. And remember, I don't have that stem, so that is empty as well. I have two 10.9s and 11.7. 11.7 3 times, and 112, which is 0 right here. Remember, 12 does not mean that we don't write anything here, but we write 12.0. Remember that 12 is equivalent to saying 12.0. It's exactly the same. So remember that because you have decimals. I hope this helped you, and I will see you in a different video.